Hi viewers, this is Bankur Narsimharao working in Marri Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management as a assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Today dealing the subject of blockchain technology. In going to the video lecture, currency and cryptocurrency. What is a currency? Currency is a system of money, physical money, that is issued and regulated and controlled by a government and central authority and is used to legal media of exchanges within the country. For example, currency. Examples of the currency: Indian rupees, US dollars, Europeans, Japanese. What are the uses of the currency? Currency is backed by a government and has legal tender status, must be accepted by the payments and existed in the physical forms, for example, notes and coins, digital form, bank balances, controlled by a central authority, for example, RBI, Federal Reserves. These are the definitions of the cryptocurrency. Coming to the next slide, what is a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency or virtual currency. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that does not rely on banks to verify transactions. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized. It is a independent of the currency. Cryptocurrency payments exist purely as a digital entries to an online database. Cryptocurrency is a online only entry in the online database. There is no coins and there is no the physical cash. When cryptocurrency funds are transferred and the transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Public ledger means a set of transactions. In cryptocurrency coins, which are publicly agreed on records of ownership. Ownership in is the independent. It is the decentralized or generated by a produced by the miners. These miners are people who run programs on ASIC, application specific integrated circuit devices made specifically to solve proof of work puzzles. The work behind mining coins gives them values, while the scarcity of coins and demand for them causes their values to fluctuate. Cryptocurrency can be used buying goods just like a fiat coins. Cryptocurrency use encryption to verify and protect transactions. It is secure and protect the transactions of the cryptocurrency. It does not exist to physical cash and it not typically issued by a central authority. This is a decentralized authority. This is the decentral controlled by the contracts with the central bank. Digital currency is the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency. Virtual money is a digital payment system that does not rely on banks and to verify the transactions. Cryptocurrency is the decentralized currency. Is not depend on the others. Coming to the next slide, cryptocurrency examples. For examples of the cryptocurrency, already all of you know Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and stablecoin. For example, the Bitcoin is the most widely accepted cryptocurrency, founded by the 2009. Satoshi Nakamoto is the most commonly traded the Bitcoin. It is a decentralized digital currency. Bitcoin is the decentralized cryptocurrency that can be transferred in a peer-to-peer Bitcoin network. Peer-to-peer Ethereum is the native cryptocurrency and the Ethereum blockchain network. Each Ethereum account has a ETH balance and may send ETH to any other account. The smallest subunit of the Ether is known as a WEIV. Litecoin. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency and is a technical terms. Bitcoin is nearly identical in Bitcoin, similar as a Bitcoin. It uses scripts to proof of work algorithms. It is an adoption Bitcoins that is intended to make payment easier. Is the next is the stable coin. These are the class of cryptocurrencies whose values are designed to stay stable and relative to real world assets like as a US dollars. These are examples of the cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and stable coins. These are the cryptocurrency examples. And next, coming to the next slide, currency and cryptocurrency, traditional currency versus cryptocurrency. Let's understand the differences between the working of the cryptocurrency and currency. There are two things to make cryptocurrency work, and fiat currency works differently. Transactions and the consensus protocols. A block in a blockchain has the following structures. As in the blockchain, multiple transactions, so time in the transactions are idealized. For example, transactions and consensus protocols. The transaction performed the crypto world are very different than those that of which are performed to the real world. Let's consider that Alice wants to buy bicycle. For example, the real world alias can pay in available currency. The seller will return the change if any alias. Crypto world, suppose the bicycle cost is 0.6 BTC and alias is 0.7 BTC. In the Bitcoin wallet, alias has to consider whole amount is 0.7 BTC. This is the example of the real world. And consensus protocol, consensus decision making in a group decision making process in which group members develop and agree to support a decision in the best interest of the world. Basically, it states that longest valid chain in the blockchain network should exist on every node in the network. The currencies versus cryptocurrency is the currency is the physical currency issued by the government, and cryptocurrency is the virtual and is the digital currency. It is the decentralized currency is the centralized is the authority in the government and the public. Is the cryptocurrency is the decentralized. Coming to the next slide, how does cryptocurrency work? How? Cryptocurrencies are not neglected or controlled by any central authority. It is not depend on the central. Do not depend on the central authority. It is the decentralized. Hence, cryptocurrency works outside the banking systems using different types of coins. Outside of the works banking system using different types of coins. For example, mining. Mining is a cryptocurrency are generated through a process is called mining. In this process, the miners are required to solve a mathematical puzzle or a physically equipped computer system to be rewarded with the bitcoins in exchange. For example, second, buying, selling, and storing. Users can cryptocurrencies from central exchanges, brokers, individuals. Currency owners are sell cryptocurrency. Them cryptocurrencies can be stored in a wallet. Cryptocurrencies can store in a wallet. Investing. Cryptocurrencies can transfer from one digital wallet to another digital. Cryptocurrency transfer one digital to another digital is the transfer the money. Buying, for example, use of the buying goods and services, trade in them, and access them for cash. Cryptocurrencies can transfer one digital wallet to the another digital wallet. Cryptocurrency can use the following purpose: buying goods and services, trades in them, exchanges them for cash. How to buy cryptocurrency? How? There are three steps involved buying the cryptocurrency: choosing a platform, funding your account, placing an order. This is the three platforms are using choosing a platform. For example, there are two platforms available in the market: traditional brokers and cryptocurrency exchanges. There are online brokers who offer to buy and sell cryptocurrency along with the stocks, bonds, and etc. But they offer lower trading costs and favor crypto features. Example, choosing a traditional brokers, there are online brokers who offer to buy and sell cryptocurrency along with stocks, bonds, and etc. But they offer lower trading costs and favor crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchanges, different types of cryptocurrency exchanges are available to choose from with different cryptocurrencies. Example, wallet storages. Second one is the funding your account. And after choosing a platform, the next step is to found the account. Most crypto exchanges allow users to purchase cryptocurrencies using a fiat currency like US dollars and euro, and using credit and debit cards also. But the various platforms are various platform from platform to platform. For example, cryptocurrency like US dollars and euro, and using credit and debit cards, and but this varies from platform to platform. An important factor of considered here is the fees that include potential deposit and withdrawal transaction fees plus trading fees. As soon as placing in order, the order can be placed via exchanges, broker, web, or mobile platform. For example, cryptocurrency are used in the mobile, or uses tablets or mobile phones, and web browsers also used in the placing in the order of the cryptocurrency. And coming to the next slide, how to store cryptocurrency? How? Wallet, custodial wallet, cold wallet, hard wallet, paper wallet. Once the cryptocurrency is purchased, it needs to be stored safely to protect from the hackers. The hackers protects from the hackers. The usual place to store cryptocurrency is the crypto wallet, which can be physical devices or online software. Physical devices, it can be physical devices or online software. Not all exchanges or brokers provide crypto wallet services. The cryptocurrency can be stored in these four places: uh, custodial wallet, cold wallet, and hard wallet, and paper wallet. For example, custodial wallet. In this approach, the third party, such as a crypto exchange, stores the cryptocurrency either through a cold storage or hot storage, or a combination of the two. This is the simplest and convenient method of the users, as it requires less work on the user's part. Custodial wallet. Uh, Next is the cold wallet. These are also known as the hardware wallet. Also known as the hardware wallet. It is an offline wallet. In this, hardware connects to the computer and stores the cryptocurrency. The device connected the internet and the time of sending and receiving cryptocurrency, but other than that, the cryptos are safely stored in the offline. Cold wallet, these are also known as the hardware wallet. It also hardware connects to the computer, stores and cryptocurrency. This will connect to the internet and timing sending and receiving the cryptocurrency, but the crypto is safely stored in the offline. This is safely stored in the offline. Hard wallet, these are the applications that store the cryptocurrencies online. These are available at the desktop or mobile apps. Hard wallet is the web, and desktop or mobile wallets is available in the desktop or mobile apps. Paper wallet. This is also known as the physical wallet. known as the physical wallet. It is a printout of the public or private keys available as a string. Characteristics of a scannable QR codes. This is a scannable. This is also physical wallet. Printout of the public and private available as a scanner QR codes. To send crypto scan the public and private keys, crypto will be received using a public keys. To send crypto scan the public and private keys and crypto will be received using the public keys. What can you do with cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency. What can you do with cryptocurrency? Here some examples. Okay, shopping, insurance, gift, travel. These are the examples of the cryptocurrency. For example, shopping. Some luxury details like a Rolex or Patek Philips Philip accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Insurance. Some insurance companies like Premium Shield Insurance accept the Bitcoin for the premium payments. Some insurance companies are accept the premium Bitcoin premium payments also. For example, a gift. Cryptocurrency can be a great gift for the persons who want to learn and invest in new technology. And travel. Travel is not a tied to specific country. The traveling with a crypto can save you a lot of money exchanges fees. It's a booking is the booking as a cryptocurrency is not tied to specific country. Thus traveling with a crypto can save you a lot on money exchanges fees. And coming to the next advantages of the cryptocurrency. What is the advantages? The cryptocurrency secure, decentralized, immutable, transparency, and inflation hedge, faster settlement, easy transactions, private and secure, blockchain, decentralized, immutable, transparency, easy transactions, faster settlement, inflation hedge. These are the advantages of the cryptocurrency. The following the following steps will one by one explain. Private and secure blockchain technology. Blockchain is to store the digital information, secure and transparent the decentralized ledger. Ledger is a set of transactions. Blockchain technology ensures user anonymity and at the same time of the user cryptography in the blockchain makes and the network secure for working with the cryptocurrency. Decentralized, immutable, and transparent. The entire blockchain network works on principles of shared ownership where there is no single regulating authority. The data is available all the permission members on the network and it is tamper proof. Inflation hedge. Cryptocurrencies are good means of investing in the times of inflation as they are limited in supply and there is a cap or mining any type of cryptocurrency. Faster settlement. Payments are most cryptocurrencies settle in seconds or minutes. Wire transfer at banks can cost more and often take 3 to 5 business days of settled. Easy transactions. Crypto transactions can be done more easily in a private manner in comprehensive to bank transactions using a simple smartphone and a cryptocurrency wallet. Anyone can send or receive a variety of cryptocurrencies. Is coming the disadvantages of cryptocurrency. Cyber security issues, price volatility, scalability, less awareness. One by one, cryptocurrency will be subject to crypto security breaches and manful into the hands of hackers. Price volatility. Cryptocurrency are highly volatile in terms of price as they have no underlying value and there is a supply demand like questions that is used to determine the price of cryptocurrency. Scalability. The scalability is there is no increase of the data. Scalability is one of the major current concerns with cryptocurrencies. Digital coins and tokens. Tokens adoption is increasing rapidly, but owing to the sluggish nature at the blockchain makes cryptocurrencies prone to transaction delays. Cryptocurrencies cannot complete the number of transactions that payment gains like Visa and Mastercards process in a day. Less awareness. Cryptocurrency is still new concept for the people, and the long-term sustainable of cryptocurrencies remains to be seen. Cryptocurrency is still new concept of the people, and the long-term sustainable of cryptocurrencies remains to be seen. Features of the cryptocurrencies: decentralized, security, transparency, anonymity, limited supply, low transaction fees, and programmability. These are the features of the cryptocurrency. Decentralized means is a independent, operate peer-to-peer network, not controlled by the central authority. Security is the techniques that ensure the security and integrity of the transactions, protect the against fraud and hacking, fraud. Transparency is the public ledger, is called as a blockchain. It allows anyone to see all the transactions occurred in the network. Anonymity. While most cryptocurrencies are not completely anonymous, they do offer a high degree privacy and can allow users to transact without revealing their identity. A limited supply. Cryptocurrencies are designed with a limited supply to maintain their values and prevent inflation. Low transaction fees. Compared to the traditional banking and financial institutions, cryptocurrencies generally have low transaction fees, making them an attractive option in the international transactions. Compared to the traditional banks, low fees are available in the cryptocurrency. Programmability. Some cryptocurrencies allow for programmable transactions, meaning that they can be programmed to execute automatically based on the certain conditions. Some cryptocurrency allow the programmable transactions. Meaning that they can be programmed to execute automatically based on certain conditions. Okay, thank you.